Are you a high school student ready to take the next step in your education and career? The Technical Scholars Program at Horry-Georgetown Technical College is your gateway to a brighter future in STEM, advanced manufacturing, and healthcare fields. Through this program, you can earn college credits that also satisfy high school requirements, transition smoothly into college, and even obtain national certifications to jumpstart your career, all while saving significantly on college costs. Programs are offered in Conway and Georgetown with pathways like cybersecurity, welding, HVAC, health science, teacher education, and more. Enrolling is simple. Contact your high school counselor to get started with the Technical Scholars Dual Enrollment Application Packet. Meet HGTC's admission requirements, submit your application, and explore financial aid options like lottery tuition assistance and SC Win scholarships. Your future begins here. Don't wait. Ask your school counselor about the Technical Scholars Program at HGTC today.